Hi guys, it's Mary. I'm back with another natural hair video. I'm basically going to just show you guys how I take down my hair. I use this Wild Growth hair oil. It's like the holy grail. It really does work. It makes your hair grow really fast. So, I just rub a little bit on my hands. Make sure my fingertips are coated because that's the part of my hands that I take my hair out with. And rub it down each twist, taking out the bit two knots as I go. I find that when I start from the bottom of the twist, it causes a lot of frizz. So I like to start from the top and just unravel it. And then I just keep going up my flat twist. Like so. Okay, so starting from the top, if there's still some that's not unraveled, and then you just go up the twist. You can see that there's multiple ways to do this. This one feels a little dry, that's why I'm like doing it this way. And extra careful. I like to separate it more in the end because I actually don't like my hair to be extra big these days. When I do flat twists, at least. If I want a big fro, I'll do bantu knots. Okay. I just have 5 of these in. I have one big one in the back. My hands are still really oily. That's something you want to keep checking because if your hands get dry, your hair will get frizzy. Okay, so now that my hair is fully separated, I'm going to go in with a pick. My favorite pick. And I will start from my roots and pick out the parts. Then I do the same thing from the bottom. You'll see like I'm going at an angle, I'm going like in and out, but not all the way to the ends or as to where I will mess up my curls. So then I like to go in at the part after my second flat twist and pick out that first part. on both sides. Okay, so now you see that I have like body and the part is gone right there. I like to just move it around a little bit. My hair is not big enough for me to like shake it and it just goes yet. So I'm just gonna move it around. Being very careful with my curls, very gentle. Natural hair needs TLC. Okay, so this part is being stubborn, so I'm probably gonna go in, take some of these curls and separate them around. And then go in from the bottom again because the bottom's like really good at getting these parts out. And then I'm going to go in actually from each side of this flat twist and pick it out that way. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Part be gone. Parts be gone. Okay. That's my chair. My chair needs to stop farting. Okay. I'm gonna actually try to go in from like the middle of it and take that other part out. Yes, okay. Now, you can see parts are gone. Yes. I love my hair today. So that's how you take down your hair with minimum frizz. I hope I was able to teach you guys something today. Please subscribe and like this video. Hit the bell so you know when I upload new videos. And yeah, peace and love. Have a good day.